Alrighty then, I'm back at the beach, done traveling, and had a great time. Great time at the founders meeting out at Suspicious Observers at the Observer Ranch, seeing all my friends and helping some people with dry fasting and some of the stuff that we do here. Yeah, I think today what I'm going to like to talk about is the recovery phase, what to expect. You know, everybody goes through it a little differently. The thing is, though, there's a few things that will happen afterwards as your body starts to turn on to eating food again and activating all the processes and so forth. And one of the things is in and out of power. You know, as systems are switched on and switched off and then switched back on again, there's a little bit of time between feeling really 100%. And you're going to find conditions where you feel great, it's like everything is back to normal, and then a half an hour later you're back in bed sleeping. Answer that call if you can, because the idea here is to get through this period because of the benefits after it. Everybody experiences this, everybody goes through this. You're going to have a little, basically fatigue. You're going to feel tired. You're going to feel like you can do it, but when you try to do it, you're not able to. Well, that's because you just you just had a period of starvation, and it takes time to recuperate. It usually takes about the same time in the dry fast as it takes to recuperate. So if you do a 5, it's like 5 days to recover. If you do a 7, it's like 7 days to recover. That's just all it is. And you will feel interesting during this time period because you're going to get a feeling that you haven't had before, because you've gotten rid of all the parasites. You've gotten rid of all their chemical messages and signaling and stuff in your brain to seek things that you don't really need or want. And that starts calming down. And you start having this period of clarity. But really what you're seeing and what you're hearing in your head is where you were when you were a kid before you were so filled full of toxic elements and parasites and all that stuff. So dry fasting on a periodic basis, it's really good for that, because you're not going to get rid of parasites. They're always going to get back in you. You're not going to get rid of these chemicals. They're always going to get it back in you. So if you don't take the time at one point to go ahead and clean it out, it's just going to win. I've got a couple of messages from people that have seen the videos and wondered about this black stuff that comes out after a dry fast. Well, you're not going to have any elimination except the black stuff, because that's the stuff your body took out of the cells. That's death, because if that builds up, it's absolutely going to confound some subsystem which fails, which kicks off, a power outage like the New York blackout. Just one little switch. The idea here is to make sure those switches never turn on. So just deal with it. It's not that tough. It is mind over matter. And I know you can do it. Thousands of people have done it so far. And once they do it, they want to do it again. You see, this is the learning process. We've been taught not to do this on purpose, because if we don't do this on purpose, we end up falling apart, giving up all of our income at the end of our lives to the medical industry, and not living long enough to see your Social Security payout. Don't think that's not part of the plan. I think it may be. So the idea here is to go ahead and do this, because it's very important. It's very important to get these things out of your body, because it's the only way to do it. You can't do it with food. You can't do it with all these flushes and all this stuff. That's individual stuff. You can't do system-wide stuff by adding things in. Food was created the problem. How can more food solve the problem? It's time to not eat. As my mentor Hippocrates said, sometimes the best remedy is to do nothing. And dry fasting is that. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Nice to see you guys again watching the channel. And I'll be doing this daily because I like it. And the books are done just about. They're going to be in final editing. Some new stuff in there. You're going to like that stuff. Anyway, I love you guys. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and tell your friends. If you're the first time here, take a look below at some of the videos. I mean, people talk about the results, and they've helped a lot of people, so maybe they can help you too. Anyway, I'll talk to you later, and boy, it's rough out there. I'm not sure I want to go out there today. But the ocean calls me. Anyway, I love you guys. And we'll see you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.